G'day viewers, we're in Train Sim World. We're in the Xbox version, but I've installed it on my PC because I've got some questions. The first question is, will this work? So if we start the callbacks, if we just open up the software, there we go. I don't know, how does it know where Train Sim World is? There's a good question. But we do have to put in a DLL to make this work. So if I open up Windows Explorer, Train Sim World 6 in the Xbox games. So let me add a window for that because we can do two things at once here. Window capture 3, that'll be Explorer. And we want this one, there we go. So there's our window there. I think you can't quite see all of it, but that's fine. Don't know why you can't, actually. It's weird. But anyway, that's fine. You can see enough of it. So we go into Train Sim World 6, content, TS2 prototype, binaries, third party, PII head, binaries. Okay. So if I rename this to .dll.old, and then I'll open up another one of these things and go off to the other install that's in Steam. You can't see what I'm doing here, that's alright. Train Sim World 6. Windows no editor. TS2 prototype. Binaries. I'm going to have to stop the game anyway, so let's just get out of the game. Otherwise it won't load this DLL. And just about there, PI head, binaries, there we go, there's the new one. So copy that and put this on here. And then we go back to the Xbox Games program and start Train Sim World 6. So we can hide this Explorer thing for the moment. We'll come back to that. So this is starting the Xbox version of the game. I know it's the Xbox version because it's only got Training Center because I didn't put any DLC in. So let's, Explore on foot's fine, Central Square's fine. Let's try the magic thing. Start callback. Connected to Train Sim World. All right, this is promising. The other one's definitely not running, so let's just come over here, grab a simple one that I know works with this controller. Just dive into the 66. And put the reverser in. Oh, it's doing things. Look at that. Okay, it is actually doing stuff. It's a bit weird. It needs some config. But that's okay. Can we drive? That's all we really need to know, isn't it? Okay. Automatic brakes. Release. Well, that's not actually working, but the handle is, so that's something else that's going on there that's not letting the brakes release. It's got nothing to do with the controller. The controller is actually working. It's moving the handles like it's supposed to. So that's okay. What about... Yep, those things are working. And we can move the throttle, can we? Yep, we can. Goodo. So it's just using the first half because that's the way it's configured. All right, well, there's the first question answered. I can't answer can we drive because I don't know why the brakes won't come off, but I'm not going to investigate that right now. It's probably a change ends thing. There'll be some way to do that. It's probably inactive at the other end or something silly like that. Right, so that answers that question. The next question is, do mods work? So let me stop the callback. Let me close the Xbox game again. And I did, so if we go back to TS2 prototype in here, better show it to you. And we want content packs. So this is what it comes with by default when you install from Xbox. I have grabbed a mod that'll be really obvious if it works, called the Class 66 Pink Reskin Mod Pack. So just to make it easy to know if this actually works or not. So we're launching up the game. We can get rid of this Explorer window again. And we can start this thing again. That's fine. And the game actually comes up. Start callback. And connected to TSW. Perfect. Training center. Explore on foot. Same place is fine. Let's dive on into this. Amazing how quick it is when you haven't got any DLC. Alright, where's the track? There's a track. Adding moving trains. Yeah, blah, blah. Add. Oh, matte pink. Look at that. Look at that. You can put mods into the Xbox version. How about that? I won't go that way. Let's go this way. Let's see if we can drive matte. So this is something I hadn't really thought about until someone actually asked me the other day on stream, and I went, I don't know. So, 30 to forwards. Everything else seems okay. We can release the brakes on this one. Okay. Direct brake should be released. We should be able to drive. With the modded mat running in the Xbox version of the software installed on my PC. And off we go with the Matt Pedalston Class 66 reinforcement unit, which does reinforce that you can have mods in the Xbox version. That is a crazy fast 66. Get to bang into things now, but that's okay. Alright, point proven. So, two things. You can have mods and the TSW Cobra software that works with TSC-X and Raildriver for that matter, and other joysticks as well, will actually work with the Xbox version as long as it's running on a PC. How about that? Cool stuff. Alrighty, have fun folks, enjoy yourselves, and we shall see you later.
We played a game.